Alright, let's see what we have behind door number starboard. Door number starboard. Here is our starboard water tank. It's a flexible water tank, and we didn't put this in ourselves. We kind of inherited this with the boat. The upside to flexible water storage is that you can pretty much put it anywhere you like. The major downside to flexible is this one, for example, is rated for 220 liters, but because of the confined space, we're probably only getting about 150 liters in. The second issue is, if you can see all these folds, once it starts getting empty, if this pipe is not sucking out water, so if it's on a fold, then this pressure pump can run for ages and just not pump any water in there. So that's an issue. So what we found yesterday when we started checking these folds is that we actually have some leak water underneath the tank, which means that somewhere, somehow, we have a bit of a leak. My guess it was from overfilling, because these are not the most secure fittings. The other problem is this should probably run somewhere when it does leak, so we've got to sort that out today.
Now it's empty, so now we can lift it.
Now it's got to untie these four corners.
Oh, okay.
And then we can lift it.
And in typical fashion, love, you do everything man tight.
So it should be done,
Not girly tight. Oh my goodness.
So what were you complaining about?
It felt tighter than it was.
Okay. And water flow off. Okay, it's done. So how do we check where the water's coming from, Nixie?
We taste it.
Taste it.
Yeah.
Go on.
Ew, that's gross.
Fresh or salty?
I know, you've already tasted it. It's fresh.
But we didn't get on film.
I know, but that's nasty.
Just a fingertip.
No! Ah, that's gross.
Fresh.
I know, that's a great trick and a great tip for everybody,
Yeah.
to taste the water to know if it's salt or...
You're a yardie now. You should be up to this.
Fine, it's just so gross.
Fingertip.
Ah! No salt. So that's not leaking from outside. Yay.
Well done, eh? You give you a glowing reference on your resume.
Am I initiated now?
Yes. Well done.
So you're looking for bubbles, huh?
Yeah, a bit of soapy water.
Let me hold and then you can.
Got it. Yeah, found you.
What are you feeling? Ah! Some air bubbles.
There it is.
There it is.
So we found our leak, and we are going to attempt to patch this first with our trusty old Type A kite magic tape.
You say you trust that more than the
I
glue.
trust this more than the PVC glue. We know this sticks to anything. So we'll start with a small patch, cover that with a bigger patch, cover that with a bigger patch.
Kill.
Pump it, test it, see how it goes. We have alcohol. Do you have alcohol swabs?
We do, yeah. I mean, we've got also the alcohol I bought the other day from the chemist.
Perfect. Let's do that. Oh yeah, it smells so good.
You're just weird sometimes.
It's the pressure. Pressure makes me weird.
Pressure of being a captain in charge of everything.
Yes, this is not in the books. It's supposed to be drinking margaritas and
Yeah, cocktail moments.
yeah. Oh, that didn't even stay.
Oh no.
Maybe it was a bit wet still. Hold on.
Okay, try number 3.
Much better.
Yay, well done.
Much better.
And now for the bigger patch.
We are getting close to departure date. So a couple of final things we need to complete. And today starts with laundry day. So, and we get to go into town and do a proper wash of the laundry, including our salon settee cushions. It's going to be awesome. Not a bad day. I like laundry day.
But I love laundry day.
Somebody loves laundry day. Trust me. For the next couple of hours, for the rest of the day, she's going to be walking around smelling everything. Ooh. Ooh, I love laundry day. Ooh, I love laundry day. Yep. That's my life.
I still smell our cupboard in there because all the clothes are washed as well. And they were washed a while ago and I still smell them.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what I got to deal with today. But it's good because everything that we normally don't get to wash gets washed today. Cushion covers, towels, bedding, linen.
All the big stuff.
All the big stuff. Even my sailing hat, which needs a serious wash. And we're going to go find some food at a local buffet. These things are awesome. Fantastic food. Way cheap. I think we paid
22 ringgit.
22 ringgit. About $6 for both of us and a drink the last time we were there. So that's pretty cool.
Very cool.
Yes. So, ready to rock and roll?
Ready to rock and roll.
We haven't had breakfast. That's how much we're going to smash that buffet. Let's do it.
How nice and big and spacious.
What did you find?
Prawns for breakfast or brunch. And then I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
So 10:30 in the morning. Things are getting busier here.
Very.
You can see why. Food is amazing.
Yeah. We're having a bit of sniffles though because
Yeah,
it's a
bit
bit
of chili sauce. Probably on everything,
yeah.
but delicious.
Yes.
So how it works is you just go along the buffet, grab whatever you want. Somebody comes along, inspects your plates, gives you a little ticket. That's what you pay. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Sit down or take away.
Delicious.
How much did it cost?
40 ringgit.
How much is that in dollars?
$12.
10.
10. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just guessing.
Yeah.
10. Oh yeah. Smells good.
Somebody's happy. Lord.
Yes, we clearly don't do laundry very often, so it's like very exciting.
So let's throw some more costs your way. We paid 15 ringgits for the wash, and we paid 5 ringgits for the dry, which is a total of 20 ringgits, which means our laundry today cost us in dollars $5. Easy peasy.
Nice.
And everything smells nice, right?
And it smells nice. Yes, and it smells nice. So excited.
I'm sure we'll find out how nice it smells a couple of times today.
Okay, I'm on channel 69.
Cool.
So now I just this one, right? And then I just talk. It's only my second time. So. Royal Langkawi, right? Yeah. Royal Langkawi, Royal Langkawi, Royal Langkawi. This is vessel Maya. Over. I don't know. Not like this. I didn't hear a click, so that's why I'm like
Pressing the whole thing.
Royal Langkawi, Royal Langkawi, Royal Langkawi. This is sailing vessel Maya. Over. I keep doing this. I'm not hearing a click, so. I had it too low, I think.
Please repeat.
Sorry, Royal Langkawi, please repeat. Yes, we are 10 minutes out and we have reserved Echo 4 yesterday. Thank you. I don't know what she said at the end.
Standing by and saying 69.
So difficult to hear this crackly stuff. And the engine's going. And I'm doing this in the meantime, there's no speaker.
So we have a lot to look forward to today, because today is Provision Day.
We love Provision Day.
Provision Day is bonus beer day.
And it's chicken, barbecue chicken and French fries day. We only eat meat once every 2 weeks when we provision, because our fridge cannot stay on the whole time. So, because we don't have enough.
So it's a special
batteries.
day.
Exactly. It's
Not
a special
only
day.
that, it's Saturday.
Which means it's wine day.
Wine day.
So we allow ourselves wine on a Wednesday and a Saturday, because we can't have wine every day. It's not in the budget.
It's gonna be a good day.
It is a good day. It is
Right.
a good day.
We've got a lot to do still. That's why we got a car, because we're going to get provision for 2 months. In Langkawi, pretty much everything is cheaper, so we don't want to think about buying beers in Thailand, diesel in Thailand, petrol. So today's the day.
And we can't afford wine in Thailand. It's too expensive.
No.
So yeah, we provision in Malaysia.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready.
Let's do it.
Here we go. So we're only allowed to take 20 liters per time. I see.
So just to explain to the folks, the diesel and the petrol is subsidized here. So when you get diesel and petrol at a full station, a lot cheaper than getting it at a pump station. So for example, if we filled our boat with diesel at a pump station, it's double the price of the gas station over here. And because of that, they limit to how many liters you can buy at a time. In fact, we're not supposed to be traveling with more than 20 liters at a time. That's okay, I understand. We're also sitting in a car that we rented for the day, and it cost us around $13 for the day. It's a great car, drives fine, air conditioning works, and no paperwork, no insurance, no license. We walked up to a guy, asked for a car, he gave us a car and took 50 ringgits from us. Great, love Asia, beautiful.
But they're very strict on their diesel apparently.
Yeah, it's half price.
Yeah.
So, understand. And we're done now, so woohoo!
Yay, awesome.
Alright, back up in my favorite place, top of the mast. We have a problem with the anchor light, so we need to check that out before we get moving. And this is another reason why we're in the anchorage, in the marina, as opposed to anchorage. Out there's a lot of traffic going by, so yeah, it's relatively calm. And way down there is Nixie. She's my safety. So changed the bulb, and that wasn't the issue. Still not going, but then I found some wires. Check this out. Over here. So one wire that it came off, so we're gonna have to go back down again, get some replacement wires, come back up and sort that out. Thankfully, not a major job.
Okay, so you just need a little piece of wire. Alright.
Just where the connector was. Obviously a lot of salty air up there, so the wiring had got a little bit corroded and basically got brittle and then snapped off.
I see.
So now I'm going to just go connect a nice new fresh piece of wire up there and come back and have a beer. Is it too early to have a beer?
Yes. Sorry, man.
Just gonna use your thing for a second.
Okay, you tied off.